Of our series, we are discussing the 11th question. Identify the customers who have bookings during the months of October 2018 to January 2019 and paid overall total flight charge less than the average flight charge of all bookings belong to the travel class business. So write a SQL query to display ID and name of the identified customers. So so you see here, it is asking for the customers who have bookings during the months of October 2018 to January 2019. So simply we need to use a between function for the date, and then next is like paid overall total flight charge less than the average flight charge of all bookings. So as I was telling in my classes, we need to use a subquery and compare the average flight charge to the actual flight charge, right? So let me now go back to our Oracle SQL developer, and I'll write the query now. First, I need to find out the average flight charge, right? So how do you will find? Select average of flight charge, okay, from booking table where travel class equals to. So my question says it is for the business class, right? So I'll be getting the average for the travel class, this one. So if I find this one, one second. Yep. So I'm first retrieving the average of the flight charge, which is 21,800 for the travel class business. So now the next part of the query says I need to find the bookings during the months of October 2019 and 2019, right? So what I will do is I need to get the customer ID as well as booking date between these two. So first I will do, I'll get the customers who are between, like customers who have booked their flights, okay, between October 1st to 2018 to January 31st, right? So simply I'll use, okay, 01 October 2018 and 31st Jan 2000. So sorry, you have to use 18 like this and 19. Okay, with this you will get customers who have booked between. So I have given booking table. So with this you will get the customer ID who has booked the. With this you will get the customer IDs who have booked between October 1st and 31st Jan 2019. But now what I need to do, I need to compare these two, right? So what I will write here and flight charge, simply I'll use a subquery and keep this one. Okay, now if I run this one, I've got C302 which is actually less than this one. But now if you go to the second part of the question, write a SQL query to display the ID and name of the identified customers. I need to get the ID and name of it, right? So how you will get? I have got only ID from here. Now I need to get the name as well. If I put the name here, if I keep name here, customer name, can I get the customer name? No, because it is from booking table. Customer name is from the customer table. So I need to club customer table with the booking table. So that is I can do with the subquery. So what I will do, I'll get customer ID, customer name from customer. Okay, where customer ID in, I'll keep this way, and outer query. And if you run this one, you will be getting this one. So C3J to Sam, who's who has booked which is less than the average flight charge of all of the bookings, the travel plus business between 2018 and 2019.